Welcome back to the video lecture on engineering drawing. In this particular session, we'll see how to make border in A3 sheet and further proceed with how to use set square for different angles. So, here we have a different small change, where in A2 you have left side of around 20 mm and other three sides you will have 10 mm gap. Here left side will maintain 15 mm. This is same for A3 as well as A4. Left side it will be 15 mm, other sides it will be 10 mm. So I'll just make this. So hope we are aware with previous session and lectures. We are supposed to use HB pencil for borders. So with this we are completing our border. So in A3 and A4 your border is going to be same. That is like left side it will be 15 mm, top 10 mm, right side 10 mm and bottom 10 mm. This is what the border you will be having in A3 as well as A4. So now we'll look into the different shades of the pencil as I was discussing in class, like HB, 2H and H, how the shades actually differs. So now look at over here. So now I'm going to make a line by HB pencil. So you are not going to change your pressure, like you are going to slightly slide the pencil, but based on the tip whatever you have, like whether it is going to be HP or H or 2H, that only that is going to define your line thickness or the intensity, what how much like darkness your pencil is having, like how much the darkness the line is being obtained from the particular pencil. So HB is normally softer pencil, so you can expect like maximum darkness in this. So when you're moving to H, it will be slightly lesser than your HP, and when you go for 2H, it will be still more lesser than your H. So that is how you could have different shades in your pencils, like where HP will be having a darker shade, then followed by your H, then followed by your 2H. So this is how your different shades is going to vary with the pencil usage. That is why we go for a different pencil for different length. Maybe like if you are using your 2H pencil for construction and projection line, like it will not be visible, like it will not be that much projected. That is why you go for different shades of pencil. And you might be aware, like when we have around 20 shades of pencil, it depends on the hardness of the pencil, like when it goes to HP or 1B or 2B, like when it goes to that, like it is black in nature, like it is going to be, the tip is going to be softer defines you have the maximum intensity. All right, now we will get back to using of set square. As I was saying, like set squares are used for making different angles. Set square are used for making different angles without your protector, like suppose just think of you have missed your protector, like so you want to make some angles, but this will not help you in making 23 or 37, but even still this can be helpful in making similar, like some angles that is that can be obtained with just using your set square. So first I'll make a straight line with their mini drafter. Then this is not going to be used for it right now. Then what I'll do is, first I'll go for 30 degree. So here it is 60 degree, here it is 30 degree. So what I can do is, I can keep it like this, coinciding with your line. So obviously when this is made, I'll get 30-degree angle. Alright, similarly when you want to go for 45, this particular set square, it has 45 at both sides. So what I'll do is I'll keep it like this over here. To make things simple, I'll have this coinciding to this. Alright, now I'm removing this and making a line, and that forms 45-degree angle. Now moving to 60, you don't have any other problem, you have directly with this 60-degree. So again aligning this with this line, whatever you have drawn, again I'm bringing the scale without disturbing this set square, whatever is kept over this line. Into that I'm fixing. Now it is for 60-degree. Then comes your 90-degree. 90-degree, you don't have any problem. Both, either this or this, both can be kept in line to the line and forms 90-degree. Now I'll use this, keeping this over here and bringing a drafter, adjusting to this particular scale and making a straight line. And you will be aware, like, we have to make like this for 90-degree to represent the perpendicularity in the line. Then comes 105-degree. For 105-degree, you have to keep this scale like this and this particular scale to be kept like this. So this gives you an angle of 105-degree. Here as I'm using both the scale, this angle is not going to vary. So what I'm going to do is I'll just use this and draw the angle. This is 105-degree. Then your 120. For 120, this should be kept vertical in a perpendicular direction, and this longer edge should be aligned to this. Then you'll get your line for 120-degree. Then your 150, again you can have this like this. Now this can be tilted in this way. This will be aligned to this and this scale will be tilted like this. So you will get 150-degree. So this is how you can use your set square for making different angles without, if you miss your protector, like that time you can use your set square for making different angles.